Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into Menards and checking out some of their cheaper, but still some decent tools. There are some junk items there, just like any, store with cheap tools. But some of these compare really well to Harbor Freight tools, and some of them are actually worth picking up, especially if you're a weekend wear DIYer that just needs to have a set or something similar to this on hand. Very inexpensive, very handy. We're also going to get into some of the toolboxes as well as some of the USA made stuff that's really affordable. They also have channel lock and Knipex there. I didn't go into those because the pricing there isn't really anything special. Sometimes more expensive than just buying it online. But some of these items I'm going to show you are the same as what you'll find from other brands, but a lot of these are actually priced really well. Keep in mind, these are lower quality items, but a lot of these will still pass for anything that any weekend warrior and DIYer might need. And then there's actually some stuff I'll throw in, some decent quality stuff as well, some stuff that can take some abuse. But if you guys have a Menards around you, there's definitely some good deals there, even though they don't do technically deals like what you would find at Lowe's and Home Depot. They still got some good stuff. And I didn't go into any power tools or anything like that. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts, or if you guys have any of these, because one I want to mention real quick is the Master Force 3-piece pry bar set. Best deal out there for the USA made 3-piece pry bar set. Bar none, best deal. Everybody else that sells the set is like $30 or higher. This is a really good deal. Always available. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into this. So here they just have some bit sets, multiple different bit sets for $4, which I think is priced really well. This is just a Torx bit set. They have Phillips and Phillips specific sets and multiple others, different lengths. I mean, really good for $4. Magnetic nut setters. Really good options here for $4. Then they have the 160-piece titanium drill bit set, $27. Really cheap bits, but if you need just a set of beater drill bits, I think this is a really good option. They also have like a 100-piece for like under $7 on sale right now. I'll throw a picture up of those. Here's some other bit sets for $5, and I mean, these don't look like bad sets at all. You got two different length options. I mean, what's included is pretty decent as well. I mean, I know bit sets are cheap, but these are really affordable. These are, I think, are worth trying out. If you guys have used these, let me know. Here's a miniature bit adapter set for sockets and an impact driver, which I thought was awesome. So I picked that up, $7. Well, it doesn't work in either my DeWalt or my Milwaukee. It doesn't have the length to pleasure my impact driver, so they're going to have to be returned, or I'm going to have to figure out what to use them in, but disappointing. Next up is the drill brush set and polishing pads. I think that's a great price for everything included, $15. Next up, step bit set, $20 for this over here. It does have a hex shank on it, but then they also have this one for $9 for a 3-piece set. It also has the hex shank. That's very comparable to Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight's 3-piece set is $9 without the hex shank. Then we got a long reach hook and pick set. Very affordable. Not the best quality, but I mean $6. Get a nice little set of long reach picks. They got a bigger set here with a scraper. Not bad at all either. If you're looking for a kind of a lower end, cheaper hook and pick set, these are both great options. Many other brands sell them like this. Next up, the socket rails. The 3-piece set, you can get it in SAE and then the metric as well, $7. This at Harbor Freight is $17 on sale. So this is a fantastic price for these organizers. Next up, getting into toolboxes, they're a little mini toolbox. This one is priced really well, $13. The only one that's comparable in price to the Harbor Freight one. A lot of the others sell for around $30 or more. Then they have their 5-drawer service cart, which is the exact same as the US General at $280, same price as the US General. This one I believe is only available in black. The drawers on this, maybe it was because it was a display piece, were a little stiff. So while this is a great little tool cart,
US General is definitely the way to go when you can get it on discount and you can get it in multiple different colors. But I figured I'd show we do have the same toolbox here at Menards. Then we have their Master Force box, which is really impressive for the price. A lot of different options, really good pricing on these Master Force boxes. I really like this. This is one that I would consider. And you got outlets for days in this thing. I mean, days. You could charge everybody's stuff. Nice 24-inch deep drawers. I like the locking mechanism, the operation. They're just really good boxes for the price, and they're very underwritten. Not very many people talk about them. Really, really good option if you're looking for a quality box at a lower price. Then they have their Master Force ratchets. I think they could use an update. This is a massively small ratchet. I don't know how that thing is fat. I think Master Force could do for an update on their ratchets. Then they have their colored sockets, just like Harbor Freight. This is at $7. Harbor Freight is at $11 for the same set for the most part. So I think this is a great deal. And they have it in both metric and SAE. I mean, they're cheaper sockets. These are 6-point. I believe Harbor Freight has them available in 12-point as well. I've had a set for quite a while, but $7 isn't bad at all. Next up, the 300-piece mechanics tool set from Performax. Not a great brand, very, very cheap stuff, but I mean, if you just need a really good variety of a lot of different sockets, while they're not top quality, I mean, this is extremely affordable. Basically, what, $80, $90, 300-piece set. Now 140 or so of them are the bits, but you still get a okay selection of wrenches and a really good selection of sockets, some extensions and ratchets. So I think it's a really good deal at $90. Here we have some Bobcat rechargeable aluminum cob lights, pocket clips on them, or like a D-ring. You got a can opener or a bottle opener. They're magnetic. They got hooks. I mean, I thought this was a really cool little design, especially at $8. Then we have this crud here. If you install eyelets or whatever, that's one use for it. The other use is to just hide it so nobody has to deal with that junk. Go ahead and put that away. Then they got a really good deal on their thin wall impact socket set for lug nuts. Really good coverage at a really good price. I think it was $28. You get both metric and SAE. I think this is a really good little set, especially under $30. Then you got the $22 3-piece USA-made pry bar set with striking cap, sold by Hypertough, Craftsman, Tecton, many of them, all above $30. This is a really good price for the 3-piece pry bar set, $22. Absolutely amazing. Eklund, USA-made Allen keys, T-handles, all that good stuff. They got really good pricing on all of their stuff, made in the USA. Pretty good stuff for the price. And they got a lot to offer, many, many different sets. Then they got the willed punches, chisels in sets and individuals. Priced really well for a good quality USA-made punch and chisel. Here we're just getting into some of the smaller sets and individuals, but that is it as far as some of the cheaper stuff at Menards, as well as some of the sets or some of the USA made stuff. Let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.